over 40, 50 or 60 plus even, and still reluctantly single? Well, do come to my seminar, Smart Dating 40 Plus, at the UK Dating Fair on the 12th of October. Whether you seek live-in romance or a dining or travelling companion, my tips and strategies are just for you. There'll be 10 free copies of my book, Smart Dating, How to Find Your Man. About me, well, for over 30 years I ran Drawing Down the Moon, the original modern matchmaking agency, still a market leader. And I've been happily married to my sweetheart Sebastian for 34 years. So register now for Saturday the 12th of October. There'll be seminars, workshops and stands showcasing the latest in dating options and advice, plus cosmetic dentistry, beauty expertise, styling and a free photo shoot for your profile. Grab your ticket now, ukdatingfair.co.uk or via Eventbrite. Spread the word. See you there.